What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy St. Patty's Day. I mean, this video will come out later past St. Patty's Day, but happy St. Patty Days if you guys, or happy late St. Patty Days for you guys. Today we're going to go ahead and install a new exhaust. I don't know exactly. It's a Vance and Hines exhaust. Still, I know for my dad's exhaust, for my dad's bike. So then I'll let you know in the paper what it is. But we're going to do that, and we're going to do a short clip of what the exhaust sounds like with no exhaust system on it, and then what it sounds like after it. So let's just get started real quick. So basically with the exhaust, there's two screws up here, 2 screws down there, and then the 4 screws up there. They're all size 12. So we're just going to go ahead and remove all of those first. So it might be easier to remove the heat clamps or the heat shields already on it. We had to, so we can get to this one. But other than that, it's been going fairly easy so far. So, got it?
Go.
Alright, so we got the exhaust off, so maybe I was wrong. You don't have to take the heat shields off. It just makes it easier.
Who was right?
It still makes it easier to take off with the heat shields.
I gotta get you. You're not focused. Get focused. Come on. There. Now, who was right?
I guess my dad was right, but it is easier to take out the heat shield so you can move it around, pull off the pipe easier. You don't have to fully take them off; just loosen them. That's my professional opinion. Not that I'm anywhere close to professional, but it helps. All right, so this is the bracket. We're just gonna take off this bracket real quick, and so we can. After that, we'll be able to start putting the exhaust back on. And then we'll take out the bottom bracket as well. Sorry. So now we're just going to go ahead and put the new bracket that came with right where we took off the top old bracket. The bottom bracket is just going to be kind of empty, so we'll put this the old bolts on right here and right here instead of down there and up here. So we're just going to put it all back together.
This thing, we have to bolt those down from the back.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. What'd you say?
So once we get all this stuff on, I'm just going to literally just fast forward you doing this, and then I'll go back into doing the work. That's okay with you. Alright guys, we're not going to sit here forever and just watch and put on the heat covers, so I'll catch you guys in this brief second once the heat covers are over. Alright, so we're going to start putting on words are hard today. So we're about to go ahead and start putting the exhaust back together. So let's get started since I can't talk. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten the bolts up here where your intake is. Or your headers there too. And it was totally hopeful they're the right size.
Let's talk it quick.
Alright guys, here comes the startup.
What a shot.
You change it. Alright guys, that's basically how we're going to end today's... English is really hard for me today. Alright, so let's try this again. That's going to be the end of... That's going to be the end of today's episode. Make sure you guys hit the like button and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification on the right hand side so you guys are notified every single time that I make a video, so that way you guys can watch it and be enjoyed. And have enjoyment and have entertainment. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.